Hello my dear students and welcome to the new lesson. So here in this lesson we will be doing one more program to print whether a triangle is equilateral, isosceles or the Selene triangle. So you all know what is meant by the equilateral triangle or isosceles triangle or the Selene triangle. So equilateral triangle means whose all the sides are equal. A triangle with all sides are equal is called as the equilateral triangle. Then isosceles triangle is the triangle whose two sides are equal, and the Selene triangle is whose all the three sides are unequal. To print whether a triangle is equilateral, isosceles or the Selene triangle, so of course firstly you have to input the sides of a triangle. Suppose sides of the triangle are S1, S2 and S3. So after inputting or after getting the sides of the triangle, when you can say that the triangle is equilateral triangle, here you have to give the complex condition. So that means if all the three sides are equal, that means if S1 equals to S2 and S2 equals to S3, सो अगर S1 की वैल्यू S2 जितनी है और S2 की वैल्यू S3 जितनी है, दैट मीन्स all the three, that is S1, S2 and S3 are equal, then we can say that the triangle is equilateral triangle. So here the first condition will be, here you have to give the complex condition. If S1 equals to S2 and S1, S2 equals to S3. So if this condition is true, then triangle will be equilateral triangle. So firstly we will see the logic of this program. So if this condition is true, then the triangle will be equals to equilateral triangle. Then you have to print the triangle is equilateral triangle. But if this condition is not true, then again I will check the next condition. Here I am having the three choices. Either the triangle will be equilateral or isosceles or the Selene triangle. So out of three, computer have to choose the only one condition or one type of value. So therefore we will be using here the ladder if statement. So if this condition is not true, that means if the triangle is not equilateral, then second condition will be for the isosceles triangle. So how the isosceles triangle will, how you can say that a triangle is isosceles triangle? So here you have to compare that either this S1 equals to S2 or S2 equals to S3 or S1 equals to S3. So इसमें तीन चॉइस यानी तीन कंडीशन है. यहाँ पे भी हम कॉम्प्लेक्स कंडीशन यूज करेंगे. आपको चेक क्या करना है कि कोई भी दो साइड्स क्या होनी चाहिए, इक्वल होनी चाहिए. सो आइदर, सो कंडीशन विल बी हियर नाउ इफ S1 इक्वल्स टू S2 यानी S1 S2 इक्वल है या और, सो और S2 एंड S3 इज इक्वल्स और S2 इज इक्वल टू S3 और S1 इज इक्वल्स टू S3 यानी ये तीनों में से कोई भी दो अगर इक्वल है, देन आई कैन से दैट द ट्रायंगल इज अ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. एंड अदरवाइज अगर ये दोनों भी कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं है, then the triangle will be the Selene triangle. So Selene means whose no sides are equal. So this is the logic of the program, and now we will write the program using this logic. So see, this is the program to print whether a triangle is equilateral, isosceles or the Selene triangle. So of course I will be requiring here three variables for the three sides of triangle. So S1, S2, S3 are the three sides of triangle. So firstly a message will be displayed, enter three sides of a triangle. With this scanf, S1, S2, S3 will be inputted. Suppose I input the values as 10, 6 and 5. Suppose I input values 10, 6 and 5. So here firstly this condition will be tested. If S1 equals to S2, that is 10 is equals to 6. No, this condition is false. So as first condition is false, then complete AND will be equals to false. So you know that what is the truth table or how this AND operator is calculated. So if any one of the condition, actually if the first condition is false, then second will even not be evaluated. अगर पहली कंडीशन फॉल्स है तो दूसरी इवेल्युएट भी नहीं होती है. सो ऑफ कोर्स दिस कंप्लीट कंडीशन विल बी फॉल्स. So condition is false, so control will be after the else, and next condition will be tested. Now S1 equals to S2, that is 10 equal to 6, nahi. S2 equals to S3, 6 equals to 5, nahi. So both the conditions are false. So hence complete or condition will be false. So this condition is false. So therefore control will be after else, and triangle is selin will be displayed. No sides are equal, so hence the triangle is selin will be displayed. So suppose I input the values as like this. Suppose I input 10 10 10. Suppose S1 S2 S3 की वैल्यू तीनों मैंने क्या दे दी 10 10 10. So this condition will be tested. 10 equal to 10, yes, condition is true. Again S2 equal to S3, that is 10 equal to 10. So both the conditions are true, hence the complete condition is true, and the message that is triangle is equilateral will be displayed. सो ये एग्जीक्यूट होने के बाद कंट्रोल डायरेक्टली जाएगा क्लोजिंग ब्रेस पे. सो हेंस द मैसेज दैट इज ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलैटरल इज डिस्प्लेड. सो सपोज आई इनपुट द वैल्यूज एज लाइक दिस. सपोज S1 की वैल्यू मैंने 5 दे दी, S2 की 10, S3 की 10. सो नाउ सी हाउ द प्रोग्राम विल वर्क. 5 इक्वल्स टू 10, पहली कंडीशन फॉल्स है तो कंट्रोल विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड आफ्टर एल्स. Now this will be tested. S1 equals to S2, that is 5 equal to 10, nahi, no. So S2 equal to S3, 10 equal to 10, yes, this condition is true. And you know that in OR, if any one of the condition is true, then complete condition will be true. So S2 equal to S3 true है, इसका मतलब ये पूरी condition true है. So true है तो क्या होगा, triangle is isosceles will be displayed. So in this way, अगर तीनों भी कंडीशन, तीनों भी साइड इक्वल है, दैट मीन्स S1 इक्वल टू S2 एंड S2 इक्वल टू S3. S1 की वैल्यू S2 जितनी है और S2 की वैल्यू S3 जितनी है, देन ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलैटरल विल बी डिस्प्लेड. सो दोनों कंडीशन, यानी ये वाली कंडीशन, दैट मीन्स तीनों भी इक्वल नहीं है तो नीचे जाएगा. कोई भी दो इक्वल है क्या, S1 S2 इक्वल है क्या, या फिर S2 S3 इक्वल है क्या, या फिर S1 S3 इक्वल है क्या. तीनों में से कोई भी दो अगर इक्वल है, और का मतलब कोई भी एक कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होती है तो क्या डिस्प्ले होगा आपका, ट्रायंगल इज आइसोसेलेस. एंड अगर दोनों भी कंडीशन फॉल्स है, देन अ मैसेज दैट इज ट्रायंगल इज सेलिन विल बी डिस्प्लेड. सो लेट अस रन दिस प्रोग्राम ऑन अवर C compiler. So this is the program which I have already explained to you. So let us run the program. So see here, so the message that enter 3 sides of triangle is displayed. So you have to input the values of sides. So suppose I input the values as 5, 6 and 2. So all the 3 sides are here unequal. So let us see what the output will be. So see here, triangle is selin. So yeah, the values that is 5, 6, 2 will be stored in variable S1, S2 and S3. So hence the output will be there for selin triangle. So let us run the program again for another inputs. Suppose here I given the values as 5, 5, 9. So 5, 5, 9 values will be stored in S1, S2, S3. So as this condition is false, control will be after else. Now S1 equals to S2, that is 5 equals to 5. Yes, first condition is true. Then next condition, that is S2 equal to S3, that is 5 equals to 9, so condition is false. But as first condition is true, this this condition will be true. And after that S1 equals to S3, that is 5 equals to 9, this is false. But this condition is true or false. So true or false will be equals to true, and hence the output will be triangle is isosceles. So see here, the output is triangle is isosceles. So let us run the program again for equilateral triangle. So suppose I enter the values as 10, 10, 10. I input the values of S1, S2, S3 as 10, 10, 10. So the first condition, that is 10 equals to 10 and 10 equals to 10. So this condition will be true, and hence the output will be triangle is equilateral. So see here, the output is triangle is equilateral. This is how this program works. So this is all for now. In the next lesson, we will be coming up with new learnings. Thank you.